If you have a true cold table that has a broken door that does not close properly, you will need to replace the cartridge in it. The cartridge is located at top of the door, and here is how to replace it. These are the tools you're going to need to complete the job. 3/8 socket wrench, a Phillips screwdriver, and a flat screwdriver. Underneath the cutting board of the table at the corner, you will see 2 screws. First, you will need to remove them. Okay, remove the screws. And we're going to put each item in the order that we removed it, so there's no mistakes when we're going to put it back. Next, we're going to open the door, pull it out, and lift it up. The part that fell on the floor was the gasket that goes between the unit and the bracket. So that will be the next piece that we're going to be removing. And then we're going to take off the screw. You have to pay attention to how the hinge was, so when you put it back, you put it in the same position, in the same order. Next, we're going to remove the screw from the top of the bracket. Next, we're going to remove the washer that was holding it. And then we can remove the bracket. Underneath the bracket, there's a pivot washer. Underneath the pivot washer, there's going to be an omega clip. And underneath the omega clip, there's going to be a Teflon washer. Next, we're going to remove the screws that hold the cartridge that's bad in place.
Vámonos.
Remove the 2 screws that hold the cartridge. And the next thing we're going to do is we're going to remove the old cartridge. You might need to give a little bit of help to pry it up with a flat screwdriver, and it should pop up pretty easy. And here's our broken cartridge, and we're going to replace it. Here's the new cartridge that we received in the mail. And we're going to remove it from its box. And we're going to put it right back in where it goes. And we're going to do the reverse order and start putting each item back. I'll first put the 2 screws back that hold the cartridge. Next, we're going to put back the Teflon washer. Then we're going to put the omega clip. And then we're going to insert the pivot washer. And then we're going to install the bracket back. Put our star washer and then our screw. Tighten it with the screwdriver. Next, we're going to insert the bottom of the door into the bottom bracket. Once you get the door on the bottom bracket, make sure you get your gasket right there. Put the door back, and then you're going to put the 2 screws back up in here. Okay. As you do the final tightening, make sure you have a proper gap on the door, and then tighten it all the way. And that would complete your repair, and now you'll have a door that opens and closes properly without any problems. If you're interested in purchasing one of these hinges, here's our information in the bottom of this video, or you can contact us at chicksnatural@yahoo.com.